Hello everyone, how are you? This is Naga. In today's session, I want to cover on how to install Jupyter IDE in Windows 11. So let us get started. So coming to Jupyter Notebook, it is an open source web application that allows users to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, and visualizations and narrative text. So this is a more what the customers need now, like or nowadays we are more inclined towards AI, ML, and we are hearing the word GPT. So if you want to work on all these machine learning models and also want to show the data analytics in visualization form, or if you want to do any plots, if you want to get all these in one place, then Jupyter is the best fit for that one. So what is a Jupyter Notebook? It is an open source web application that allows users to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. It gained an immense popularity in the data science community as it provides an interactive environment for data analysis and experimentation. So with Jupyter Notebook, users can run code in multiple programming languages such as Python or Julia, which I told earlier. And this tool is more powerful for data exploration, visualization, and analysis. Additionally, Jupyter Notebook supports the creation of markdown cells, which allows users to add formatted text, equation, images, videos to their notebooks. So we can give a brief explanation, and it's way more of like we have an amalgam of all features in one place, in one ID and one notebook. So overall, Jupyter is an essential tool for data scientists, researchers, and educators who want to create interactive, reproducible, and shareable data analysis and presentations. So the prerequisite for this is having Python installed in our computer. So if you don't have Python already installed, no need to worry. We can follow the video in the description. I have already given a detailed video on how to install Python. So you can follow the link and you can go through the video for getting details on how to install Python and how to set up the environment variable so that your system is ready. So once you have the Python installed in your computer, then we can go ahead and get started with installing Jupyter IDE. So you need to go to your app data because Python defaultly installs here. So you can go to your app data. There is a local folder there. You can go there and go to programs, open the Python. So the current version in my system is Python 11. So open Python 11, 3.11, go back to scripts. So here we need to come to command line in this path. So just hover on the file section and you can type cmd, which will directly take you to the command line over this folder location. Now to install Jupyter, we can use the pip command, which is pip install Jupyter. So give it a little bit time. Uh, it will be downloading all the packages and it will be installing the required libraries for Jupyter. So while this is installing, we can check like I would prefer Jupyter because it is easy for me to work on machine learning models and Python notebooks like with the extension IPy NB. So if you're working any Synapse workspace or Azure Databricks, you will be having the IPy notebook. So Jupyter would be the easy one and like user-friendly one where those notebooks will be rendered properly and you can run each cell. Now that Jupyter is installed, let us wait and let us create a local folder. I'm creating a local folder where I can run my Jupyter notebook. So the other one where you saw the Jupyter on desktop is my local test folder. I'm waiting for the libraries to install. Yeah, this is done. So now let me close this one and go back to my test folder. Okay. So we'll try the command. Let me check the Python version. It's Python 3.11. Now to start the Jupyter cluster, there are two ways. One is like Jupyter Space Notebook. Let me check if this command is working. So no, like it's saying like this command is not recognized. So we don't need to worry. We can take the alternative command, which is like with Python. It's Python hyphen M. Oh, it's Python hyphen M notebook, which will spin up a Jupyter cluster for me in my local computer. So yeah, yeah, it's spinning up. Yeah, we got it. So it created a local host, and now that it will be creating a virtual server, and like think about it like a cluster. Now we can create a notebook here. So it will be running on Python 3 kernel. I created a notebook, and let me print a test command, and we are done with installing Jupyter. Now just go through the short bite where we do a recursive function in Jupyter Notebook. It's a short video bite. You can just follow this one. Thank you guys. See you again.